Welcome to Nagesh Karizgi Orchid School. I am Abhilasha teacher teaching you grade 4 science. In previous session we have completed our lesson number 4, that is force, work and energy. Today we are going to solve the exercise from same lesson. So I hope you are settled with your canopy books, pen, pencil and eraser. Before solving the questions, I would like to recall some points from the lesson. Now let us see the board. Lesson number 4, force, work and energy. Let us recall. We have seen about the force. A force is a pull or push the object is a force. The definition of the force is to push or pull the object. If you apply force, the object will move or stop. Means if you want to move the object, you have to apply force, as well as if you want to stop the object or moving object, that time also you have to apply the force. Now we have seen about the kind of force. There are some kinds of force which act on an object. Those are the force of friction, the force of gravity. Now we will see in detail kind of force. Friction. It occurs when two objects rub. When the two objects will rub, that time friction will occur. It is more on a rough surface. The friction is always more on a rough surface. Friction is less on a smooth surface. It is very less when the surface is very smooth. Frictions are the action of rubbing surface and object. Friction means action of rubbing surface and object. Second kind of force is gravity. It is a force of attraction. It acts on all objects on the earth. It holds the object on the earth. Yes, because of gravity, all the objects pull towards the earth. Now we have seen about the work. When you use force, you do work. Work is depend on force. If you use more force, you do more work. If you have to pick a light object, you do less work. Yes, when you want to apply more force, means you have to do more work, and when you want to pull or push light object, that time you do less work. Means work is depend on force. Now we have seen about simple machines. There are some kinds of simple machines. Those are lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. These are some simple machines we have seen. Yes, let us recall in detail. Lever. It is used to cut things, lift weight, open lids. The example of levers are scissors and bottle opener. With the help of this we can cut the things, lift weight and open lids. The second simple machine is pulley. It consists of wheel with a rope. It helps to lift bucket from a well. It also helps to lift heavy object. With the help of a pulley, we can lift heavy object. Third machine is wheel and axle. The circular object called wheel and rod called axle. It is having wheel and rod. That rod is called axle. It attached to its center. It helps object move easily. The examples are doorknobs and screwdriver. Inclined plane. It is having sloping surface or slope-like surface. It helps to move object up and down easily. Example of inclined plane is playground slide. Means if you want to move heavy object up or down, that time inclined plane is used. Screw. It looks like a nail with a groove around it. It helps to hold things together. It is wrapped around central rod. It is an example of inclined plane. Wedge. It consists of sharp edge made by two inclined plane. It is having two inclined plane back to back. It is used to cut object. Example, knives and eggs are example of wedge. Now we have seen about the energy. Energy is ability to do work. We need energy to perform activity. Yes, we have seen the example to run, to play, to jump. We need energy. It is also required to change the state of matter. Yes, from boiling water to the vapor, it also requires energy. All machines run on energy. Like us or plants, machines also need energy to run. There are some forms of energy we have seen. Those are heat energy, light energy and electrical energy. These are some energy or forms of energy we have seen. Let us see in detail about heat energy. We get from burning fuel. Yes, heat energy we can get from burning fuel. It is used to cook food and run cars and as well as trains. The sun keeps earth warm. Example, sun, wood, gas and petrol are some example of heat energy. Light energy. It is used to see, Plant used for photosynthesis. Light energy is used for photosynthesis. Now last energy is electrical energy. It is used for heating and lighting. It is used for running electrical gadgets such as computer, refrigerators, fan and television. With the help of that electrical energy, these gadgets are running. Now we have seen about source of energy. From where we are getting the energy means source of energy we have seen. Yes, we get the energy from the sun, from the moving air, from moving water and from fuel. These are some source of energy. Let us see in detail. Sun. It is a main source of energy. Everybody, we know that. The sun energy is called solar energy. It gives us heat and light energy. From the sun we get heat and light energy. When we eat food we get energy. Yes. With the help of the sun rays, the plants are prepared their own food, and that plants are vegetables we are eating. So we are depend on the sun or plants. Moving air. It is called as wind energy. It is used to turn windmills. Yes, with the help of moving air, the windmills will turn on. Windmills turn other machines and helps to generate electricity. Moving water. Yes, with the help of water also we can generate electricity. Water generate electricity. Dams are built to allow waterfalls from height onto the machine. Yes, dam is stored water and from the height it will allow to fall on the machines. These machines help to generate electricity. Means water as well as air is used to generate electricity. Fuel. Fuels have energy stored in them. It released by burning them. When you will burn the fuel, that time only the energy will released. Machines are run by burning fuel. Some machines are run with the help of fuel. It is used to run cars, heat homes and to cook food. Example of fuels are coal, oil, gas and petrol. Now we have recalled all the points from our lesson. It is useful for you to solve the exercise. So I request all the children to open page number 35. Our first question, multiple choice question. A ball that is thrown up in the air falls down because of option, the force of friction, muscular force, the force of gravity, push force. Yes. What will be the answer? Which force is act on the ball which is thrown up in the air and coming down? The force of friction? No. The muscular force? No. The force of gravity? Yes. The answer is the force of gravity. When the object goes up, because of the gravity it comes down. So the answer is the force of gravity. Next, bottle openers are example of options: levers, pulleys, screws and weights. Yes. What will be the answer? Yes. The bottle opener are the example of levers. Correct. Third one, which of these required energy? Yes. Cooking food, growing plants, making ice cubes, and fourth option is all of these. Among these, which requires energy? For cooking food we require energy? Yes, we require energy. We require heat energy for cooking food. For growing plants it is required energy? Yes, it is also required energy. Plant use light energy for growing plants or making their food. Making ice cubes, yet means making ice cubes means it is change of state, so it is also required energy. So answer is all of these. Plant use dash energy from the sun to make a food. Yes, we have to see which energy is used to make a food. Wind, heat, light and electrical. Yes, which energy is used by the plants to make a food? Wind energy they are using? No. Heat energy they are using? No. Then answer is light. Yes, from the light they make their own food and they are getting this energy from a sun. Yes, which of these is not fuel? Options are wood, coal, water and petrol. Among these, which is not fuel? Yes, wood we can burn, coal also we can burn, water we can burn? No. So answer is water. Water is not fuel, other are fuels. Now B. Mark tick for true and cross for false statements. The things can move without any force acting on them. Yes, without any force the object or the things will move? No. Answer is false. With the help of the force it will move or it will stop. For the both purposes we need force. So sentence is false. If a moving object comes to stop, it means some force is acting on it. Yes, if you want to stop the object, the force is acting on it or no? Yes, the statement is true. Third one, the screw is a wedge wrapped around a rod. The screw is a wedge. No, the screw is a inclined plane wrapped around rod. So this statement is false. Energy is required to do work. Yes, if you want to do work, it is required energy or no? Without energy you can do any work? No. So this sentence is true. If you have to do any work, you require energy. So this statement is true. Wind energy cannot be used to generate electricity. This statement is false because with the help of wind energy and water also we use to generate electricity. So this statement is false. Now we will see fill in the blanks. A force is a pull or push. The answer of this is pull or push. We have seen the definition of the force. The force is a pull or push. The second fill in the blank is a moving football comes to stop after some time because of the force of friction. Yes, just now we have recalled the points. When we want to stop any object, that time due to the force of friction it will stop. So answer is force of friction. Third fill in the blank is when a force moves an object, that work is said to be done. When a force moves an object, work is said to be done. The answer is work. The fourth fill in the blank is a playground slide is an example of an inclined plane because it has sloping surface, so it is an example of inclined plane. Fifth one, coal and petrol have energy stored in them. They are called fuels. Yes, coal and petrol is the example of fuel which have energy stored in them. Yes, now we'll see, name the following. The energy is energy you use to keep warm. The answer is heat. Yes, with the help of heat we feel warm. So the heat energy is used. The answer is heat. The energy that plant use to make food, light. Yes, in the MCQ also we have seen with the help of light energy from the sun, the plants make their own food. So answer is light. The energy that we use to run fan. Yes, with the help of electrical energy we turn on the fan. So answer is electrical energy. Our main source of energy, it gives us heat and light energy. Yes, with the help of the sun we give we can take heat or light. It is a main source of energy. The answer is sun. Now we have completed our exercise. So we will see some more questions for understanding purpose. What can force acting on an object do? Yes, with the help of force what we can do, we'll see. The answer, force acting on an object can move an object. With the help of force, the object will move. It will stop a moving object. Yes, change the direction of moving object and change the shape of an object. With the help of the force, we can move object, we can stop object, we can change the direction of moving object, and with the help of the force, we can change the shape of an object. Yes, now we'll see. Mala was sitting under an apple tree. When an apple fell on her head, name the force that caused this to happen. Yes, the apple is fall on the Mala's head. Which kind of force is acting on an apple? Answer, the gravity is the force with which the earth pulls object towards itself. The apple fell on a Mala's head because of the force of gravity. Yes, because of force of gravity, the apple fell down. What type of simple machine is a pair of scissors? Yes, with the help of the scissor, what we can do? We cut the things. Means which type of simple machine is there? Answer is, a pair of a scissor is a type of a lever. Yes, levers we have seen, it is used for cut things, lift object, and to to open the lid of a bottle. Many hospitals have a ramp to carry people on a wheelchair. What type of simple machine is a ramp? You have seen the ramp in the hospitals? Yes. How it is? Answer, a ramp is type of inclined plane. Yes, it is having sloping surface, so it is the type of inclined plane. What would happen if the sun no longer provide light? Yes, what will happen? We'll see the answer. Plants use the light energy of the sun to make food. Yes, everybody knows with the help of photosynthesis, plants use energy. Some animals eat plants, means herbivorous animal eat plants, and these animals in turn because the food for other animals. Yes, the carnivorous animals eat herbivorous animals, means that eat meat. So all living things on earth depend directly or indirectly on plants for their food. Yes, we also depend on plants. If plants cannot make their food, all living things will die. So it is very important for us or for living things. Why is wind energy called clean energy, and why it is better to use than fuel. We get energy by burning fuel. When we burn fuel, we pollute the air. But wind energy is obtained without causing pollution of air. This is why it is called clean energy and it is better to use than fuel. Yes, because of burning fuels, we pollute the air, and wind energy without causing we can use, so it is called as clean energy. The last question is, mention how fuels are excellent source of energy. Answer: fuels have energy stored in them. This energy is easily released by burning them. Hence, fuels are excellent source of energy. I hope you have cleared with your points. So I request every child should write the exercise. Thank you.